Hello, I am Teacher Fran, and today we're going to learn how to make colors. Hello! Today we are going to learn how to make colors. What do we need? We need some paper, a paintbrush with some water, some paper towels, 2 trays, and some paint. Yellow paint, blue paint, red paint. Yellow paint, blue paint, red paint. Let's start. Take your paintbrush. Let's take some red and a lot of yellow. A lot of yellow. And mix, 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 mix. Have you seen that? Look, it's orange. Orange. Yellow and red makes orange. Yellow and red makes orange. Orange like oranges. Juicy oranges. I love orange juice. All right, let's try something else. Let's clean our paintbrush. Dry our paintbrush. And let's see what happens if we put some yellow and some blue. Uh-oh. Look, it's green. Green. Yellow and blue makes green. Yellow and blue makes green. Green, like pears. I love pears. Have you ever eaten pears and parmesan? Fantastic. Okay, let's try something else now. Let's wash our paintbrush. Dry our paintbrush. And let's try with some blue and a lot of red. Ready? Let's mix. Mix, mix, mix. Oh! What color is it? Purple. Purple. Purple like plums. Do you like plums? All right, now let's take a sheet of paper. And a bowl. I'm sure you have a bowl at home. Let's put the bowl and let's draw all around the bowl. It's a circle. Shall we try with another color? Let's see. Let's try with orange. What do you think? Orange. All around the bowl. Orange. And then let's try with green. Ready? Green. Fantastic! We've got 3 circles from 1 bowl. O. And now we're going to do a special mixing. We need some flour, 1 egg, and a special chocolate stick. We're going to break the egg in our tray. Yay! And then we need to add some flour. And mix with our special chocolate stick. Mix, 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 mix. What is it? It's a muffin! Yay! Delicious muffin! Do you want some? Super good. Thank you. Bye!